Okay, Nicole asked me to do a little video about the coffee machine that she just got for her birthday. This is Jura Z6 and kind of basic. You have the water over here, and over here's something a little different. You have milk with a hose going into it, and on the top is our whole beans, but you can also put grounds in the back if you desire. You can adjust your grind right there and how fine it grinds. And you see that now that I open those things, it's actually looking for grounds, but it doesn't see any. So now it's to this screen right here. This screen is just kind of our favorites, but you can scroll through and find what you would like. So there's various types of drinks. You can just do milk, hot water, coffee, macchiatos, flat white, which is a mixture. I'm gonna do one of my favorites here. Actually, let me just go out, and I have the favorite program right there. So I'm gonna grab my cup, put it under here. That light isn't actually flashing, it's just what it looks like on the video screen. Put my cup in. Now it's gonna do everything automatically when I hit the button. So here we go, hit that. So you can see there, it's grinding the coffee, and now it is getting the milk ready. It's going to do a layer of just milk. And you can see that there it goes. So that is just the milk going. And you can see it filling up on the little screen. And now it's doing foam. It's funny that it shows flashing on the camera. The light isn't actually flashing. It would put me into a seizure. And so now it's getting ready to do the coffee. It's ground the coffee, and it's just getting the coffee hot enough. And now it does a pulse through the grinds, and it does a high pressure pulse so it gets the crema out of the coffee beans, which is that cream that you'd find in a great cappuccino. The way it works is that the milk is staying on the bottom, and the foam and froth milk is staying on the top. And then that nice creamy coffee is right in the center. And you can adjust how much of each you want, the temperatures of the milk, and the foam, and the coffee. And it's nice and fresh. And that's it. It's telling us to enjoy. And if you look, oh, I have this down a little far. It's nice multi-layered cup of coffee. Actually a latte macchiato. And it's so good and creamy, like you really don't even need sugar. But one of the other cool things is that this is a drip tray down here, but it always has a little bit of water, because in the back it fills the tray because it's cleaning the unit, and even on the front, on the spouts it cleans. Hot water comes out of here. So you can see there's probably a little water in there. I'll give it a little shake. Yep, there's a little water, and you just empty that at the end of the day. But then also, I don't know if you can see in here, but it drops the grounds that are used into that little bin there. This whole thing just slides out. That bin comes out separately. This comes out separately, and you can just clean it up at the end of the day. And then the milk goes, you take this hose and you put it into this little thing. This thing like locks into place. You take the milk hose and you plug it in. And you take a little cap full of cleaner and you put it in here. And as soon as you do that, this knows that you're all set up for this. And so these and this will put out some water and dilute the cleaner, and then it starts running the cleaner through a cycle and cleaning everything. And you just do that once a day to clean all the milk out. So that's the 5-minute version of Nicole's new coffee machine. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye now.